Hello, and welcome to today's podcast. Today we have Sheryl Pinckney-Maas of Guardian Zone and Steve Caroselli of Orion Entrance Control. Welcome, guys.
Hi, Rob. How are you?
So previously we had a podcast where we talked about Guardian Zone with some of the Orion people, but today we actually, we've got the founder. So Sheryl, why don't you tell us about Guardian Zone and the reasons why you created it?
First of all, what is Guardian Zone? Guardian Zone is a security software solution that allows security officers in public places to be able to engage with the public during an emergency. The reason why I created Guardian Zone is for 25 years, I lived all over the world. I was a Foreign Service officer, U/US diplomat, lived in high threat countries, high crime, or even I lived in the Middle East during the Iraqi war. I moved back to the United States, and you start seeing these, active shooter events, and you realize that most people don't know what to do during the chaos and when it happens. When we were younger, if something happened, you called the police, you called someone, and you waited for somebody to come save you. And I think in today's world, that doesn't really happen as much anymore. And people want to be more proactive. And I think Guardian Zone gives them the ability to be able to be a part of that. And it is a crowdsourced technology. And one of the things that I saw when I looked at other solutions that are out there and competitors is that the public was always minus or not part of the solution. And so I wanted to create a solution, a tool, a mechanism that would allow officers and the public to be able to engage in that conversation, to be able to send information back between each other in order to keep everybody safe. So what I always say is we put safety in everyone's hand. We're empowering people to be a part of that solution, to be a part of it.
Great. So Steve, the Infinity platform is the heart of the ecosystem for Orion. The Guardian Zone platform plugs nice and neatly into it. Why don't you describe the interest from Orion and some of the ideas that you have for the product?
Yeah, thank you, Rob. As you said, Infinity is our software platform. That's the front-facing platform that a security guard or security command center would have on screen already, working with the other Orion products. So entrances for turnstiles, doors for door guard, Constellation gives a good heat map of where people are in the facility. And when Sheryl and I were introduced to each other, we said, oh my goodness, we've got to do something together because we provide data and Sheryl provides a way to get that information out. So real-time actionable data is really what we're all about here. It just was such an aha for me when Sheryl described the fact that not only the app is intelligent enough to alert corporate security and utilize a message out to the general public. Every building that turnstiles are in has a visitor management piece of it because visitors come to buildings. That's another way to give them that information. Already guards have a piece of software on their screen. Why add another one when we can integrate the two and give you all that information?